Alright, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get straight into the watch list and outlook for tomorrow. Tomorrow's date will be November 16th, 2020. And let's get right into the video, like for the YouTube algorithm, I guess. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go over is I am expecting a big gap or a big gap down tomorrow. Looks like it might be a gap up as of now. Based on the past few days, there are a lot of inflection points. We've been gapping up and gapping down, and most of the moves in the markets have been pre or post markets. And in the past few days, we haven't really seen anything major. And one of the on the up or the downside. So I am kind of expecting a gap up in the morning tomorrow. So over the weekends, nothing in news really happened. It was a pretty dry weekend. We saw more hospitalizations and cases, but Wall Street isn't really reacting to any of the virus cases or any of the news. So as I said before, not a lot happened over the weekend. The virus news will probably be the main factor coming into this week, and we need to see how the market reacts to that. And based on last week's reaction by the market to any virus news, the market only reacts to news related to lockdowns. And the last time market did take a dive, it was a 2 point dive. I think it was on Thursday. That was when New York announced that they will be shutting down their school system, and then New York mayor advised canceling Thanksgiving and advised a lockdown for a month starting from tomorrow, November 16th, for up to 30 days. And the market did react to that. We did go down about 2 points, but it wasn't anything major. It was just a short-term reaction. And then, as I said before, look out for airlines and travel stocks. It's the virus UEXY, and there will be a lot of short-term volatility in that. So looking at the airline industry, so UAL, American Airlines, Southwest, and all of those, that's probably going to give you a gauge of how the virus is going to impact the economy and if we will see another downturn in the markets. Because if the airline stocks start going down first, the market will follow. And tomorrow, the main play I'll be looking out for is Qualcomm. Qualcomm had earnings, they were amazing, and there is potentially a Qualcomm continuations play. And the play that I'll go for is the one that grew the least amount in premium from the previous closing date price. So let's say a 150 contract weekly closed at 25 on Friday, and going into tomorrow, Monday morning, we see the contract at 24, but the stock had earnings and the stock is in an uptrend. I would definitely go for that one because it gained the least amount of premium. So just look out that on the options chain. And my watch list will include Qualcomm, JP Morgan, HD, Home Depot, Bank of America, Boeing, UAL, and Zoom. Qualcomm for the continuations play, JP Morgan, Home Depot, and Bank of America for the rotation into value. And if we continue to see the rotation into value, which we saw last week, then BA and UAL for the virus UEXY, and Zoom to see if investors start piling back into work from home stocks. Alright, and that is the watch list for November 16th, 2020. Thank you so much and have a great day.